Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? I hope that you all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing great with the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mehdi Hassan. I'm an English content creator in Bangladesh. Basically, I am a public English speaker. Wherever I am, I love to speak in English. Dear brothers, I have no environment. Why will I speak English, brother? I have created this environment to speak in English. You have to create your own environment where English is spoken. Right now, there are so many people are doing different types of activities, but I am speaking English, right? Because I have created this environment. So don't make lame excuses. Create your own environment. English is a language. Bangladesh is a country where Bengali is spoken because Bangla is our mother tongue. If you want to be fluent in English, you have to create your own environment. But there is no scope, no facilities to practice your spoken English. That's why I have created my own environment to speak English. Now, this place has been an environment of spoken English because I am speaking English loudly, and my friend Ibrahim behind the camera is working hard for making the video, and I am trying to avoid my shyness, inner shy and fear. If I can overcome my shyness, inner shy and fear, then inshallah I will build up my spoken English skill. But I'm shivering. If you don't speak in English, how will you be a public English speaker? So now the decision is yours. Will you practice English or not? Okay? Basically,
বাইরে আমরা ঘুমনেও
English speaker. Wherever I am, I love to speak in English. Dear brothers, I have no environment. Why will I speak English, brother? I have created this environment. Right now, there are so many people are doing different types of activities, right? Because I have created this environment. So don't make any excuses. Create your own environment. English is a language. Bangladesh is a country where Bengali is spoken because Bangla is our mother tongue. If you want to be fluent in English, you have to create your own environment. But there is no scope, no facilities to practice your spoken English. That's why I have created my own environment to speak English. Now, this place has been an environment of spoken English because I am speaking English loudly, and my friend Ibrahim